Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a very funny one, yet one that will inspire someone out there. So this is my first ever basmati rice ever since I knew how to cook. I haven't made any basmati rice, never ever. The only basmati rice I've ever eaten is either gotten from an eatery or from an occasion. You can see the face of that basmati rice. It's so good. The finishing is so beautiful. So this is me. I'm going to be using my great grandmother's measuring cup to measure out some portion. I had in mind to measure 3 cups, but then the Nigerianness, the womanness, and the motherness in me, the Africanness, oh my God, will not allow me stick to my 3 cups. You can see me. I just added fisi, jara, in case of an uninvited visitor, a guest that is not invited. So this is it, guys. I'll be washing it a couple of times until the water runs clear. And in my pot right now, I'll be adding it. At this point, I got a bit confused. I didn't know the amount of water to add. Making basmati rice can be so, how do I put it? It can be so, I don't know. You just have to learn how to do it. If not, you make mistakes and they won't turn out very fine. So as the rice is cooking, I washed my vegetables with some vinegar. I have my spring onion, my yellow and red bell pepper, and I also have some leftover carrots. So I'll be cutting to my desired sizes. This is what I have, guys. And of course, I'll be prepping my onion as well. You will want to prep down your vegetables and just have them handy whenever you need them. So in a clean plate, I added my eggs. I'll be separating the egg yolk from the egg whites. And for the egg whites, I'll be spicing up with a little salt and some dry chili powder. And I'll be whisking and set it aside. While my egg yolk, I added it into my basmati rice and then I mixed everything together. I'll set it aside and go to my saucepan. I didn't quite capture the things I added, but then I listed it. Right here, I added my olive oil, my sliced onion, my chopped ginger and garlic, some chopped pepper, some bouillon cubes, a teaspoon of salt, a half tablespoon of curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, my sweet chili sauce, my dark oyster sauce, and my oyster sauce. So right now I'll be adding my carrots. The carrot I added now, it seems to be tougher than every other vegetable I have here, so I'll just add it so it cooked down a little. Right now I added my snail. It's well cooked and well fried as well, so I added it so it could absorb some of the taste from our sauce. At this point, I'll be scooping in my basmati rice. You wouldn't want to overshadow the sauce with so many basmati, so I just had to be scooping it little by little so we don't have too many basmati and a little sauce. It will not turn out very delicious. So even though I had some other basmati left that I didn't add to my sauce, I'll be using it in my other video. So I added my fried egg. That's for the egg white. I fried it. I just added it, and my yellow red pepper, bell pepper of course. And right now I added my spring onion. That is the last thing I added because it's very tender. I wouldn't want to overcook it. And I'll give it a quick stir for everything to combine very well. So guys, if you're still watching up to this point, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. To all my returning viewers, to all my new subscribers, God bless you so much. I love you guys so much. Look at the face of that basmati rice, guys. It turned out so yummy. I couldn't believe I did this and I was proud of myself. Thank you for watching and see